Welcome to Stock Trader Simulator. In this video, we will quickly show you how to download our program and quickly get it set up. So let's go to the website stocktradersimulator.com. Then let's click on Download. Under License Type drop-down menu, select Free Trial. Then click Add to Cart. Let's now click on View Cart and then click on Proceed to check out. Please type in your email address here, as this will allow you to receive the activation code by email. Then click on Place Order. You are now on the Order Received page. Now, let's copy your activation code and download the software. Let's make a folder and extract the software where you would like to use the program. Let's open up the program and paste your activation code, then click Activate. We will wait for the software to finish activation and load the program. You will now see three distinct worksheets within this program. There is the Invest sheet, Stock sheet, and Analytics sheet. You will first use the Stock sheet to input your ticker symbol and the start and end date for your analysis. Then you will go over to the Investment sheet to start your simulation. The Analytics sheet will provide you with your results from trading. This marks the completion of the setup guide. In the next tutorial, you will be shown how to use the software in more detail. Thanks for watching.